Hi friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see Aari work, long and short stitch with some tips. So let's begin. First, take the thread from downside, put one long stitch, then one short stitch. This loop completely come down, then one short chain stitch. This is a long and short stitch. In this stage, the down area will be clumped, the short stitch only visible at the top. It's looking very beautifully when filling peacock feathers design. It's mainly used this stitch only. Now we are going to see how to do this stitch with beads. Take long stitch and short stitch. With this loop we insert one bead. Then put the another stitch at the down of the bead, below the bead, then take the stitch to down base, then short chain stitch for locking, long stitch, then put short stitch. In this loop we insert a bead. It's any bead, sugar bead or round bead, it's your wish. Then this loop into down, then short chain stitch. This is a way to put a bead in this particular stitch. Now how to fill this shape? It's like my rough drawing only, like a peacock feather. This kundan stone is already I fixed and it's dried too. What I am doing is I give sugar beads around the kundan stone. First what I am doing is I am start bottom of the design. Here 2 stitch, here 2 stitch, then lock it, then start at the top, then around the design. This helpful to maintain the shape of the finished this shape with long and short stitch. It's very beautiful to look like a peacock feather. You all try this stitch with your design and give your suggestions in the comment box. Thank you so much.